Add Arduino UNO 7-segment display, LED, green, red, yellow, and resistor from the library. First, arrange all the components. Connect the 7-segment display. A pin to Arduino D2, B pin to D3, C pin to D4, D pin to D5, A pin to D6, F pin to D7, and G pin to D8. All the LED cathodes are grounded commonly. Connect a resistor across red LED and an Arduino D13, yellow LED and D12, green LED and D11. Set the resistor value as 220 ohms. Verify, and export the Arduino code. After uploading the code, simulate the circuit. LEDs will blink, according to the program.